change the power flash of this. It's all over and out. It's not good. It's Infinix Hot F57. So gotta take a look at this. Is a power flash. So actually this one input was not in good condition. So actually what I did was I get off on this one, I replace it with this one, because if you take a look at this, so alright, it's wear out. So I picked from here, the other one was bad, I replaced it to here. I soldered it. Alright, so we gotta put it in place. Solder it from here, pick from here, put it from here. So the one that we're working with. So the back up here, some of the pins, weld off, seriously weld off. So ask your question, what are you gonna do? Like in the case of this condition where the top is weld off, so what you will do is pick from any one that's not that really good, you replace it. So let's just say if it's going, let's check if the power flash is in a good condition. So we're gonna use a multimeter to test if the power flash is in a good condition. So we'll just test it here, and we'll be using the multimeter. Yeah, for the power, this is the general, this is P, and this is G. Okay, really? Okay, continuity is actually going.